Hi everyone, I'm Zhena. I am the founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com, and this is my assistant tea blender, Ashley Profit, who is also a mixologist. And so we were very excited to have Ashley create some recipes for you all to elevate your happy hour into a magic hour. And so what are we making today?
Today we're making a mantra mint mojito.
Okay.
And to do that, we made a mantra mint simple syrup.
Okay.
And to do that, you add a half a cup of any sweetener and a half a cup of water to a pan, and you bring it to a boil and you add your mantra mint, about 2 tablespoons, more or less, you know. And then you let that boil for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then you strain it and you're good to go.
That's amazing. Yeah. And what's in mantra mint, as my assistant blender, you know.
Yes.
Because it's
very well
everywhere. So mantra mint is a domestic Northwest peppermint with wild roses. The roses this year are from Egypt. With COVID and everything, we couldn't get the roses from Bulgaria or India. So we have Egyptian roses, which are actually quite sweet. And then we blend it with vanilla extract, an organic vanilla extract. And then we add powdered ashwagandha. And ashwagandha is an adaptogen that is anti-anxiety and relaxing. It's great for sleep. I take ashwagandha supplements every morning and night, and it totally changed my life. It helps me concentrate. It helps me feel blissful. And it's a powder that goes everywhere.
Yeah.
In her hair and eyelashes.
In my nose.
Yeah, so you wear a big old thing now, right?
Yeah, basically a gas mask.
So anyway, this beauty and substance here. Okay, so so you made the simple syrup, and then what's that?
We have some lime juice as well. Okay. So we're gonna take a little bit of mint and put that in the top of our shaker. And we don't have a muddler, but I found this
you can
honey thing.
Yeah, you can totally. Ingenuity.
Exactly. And then we're gonna add the syrup to that. And this is about 2 ounces for 2 drinks.
Okay. And these recipes are on clubmagichour.com. We should just make you a page.
Should we?
Ashley's something.
It'll come to you when you're not expecting it.
When I'm not trying.
Exactly.
Yeah, but these are great. And we are, all of the local edible flowers and everything is from a local farmer, Jane at Good Witch Farms, and we love adding edible flowers. And you can grow them. You can grow pansies, nasturtiums. You can grow calendula and take the petals and sprinkle them into the top of any drink. And you can also make this alcohol-free.
Yeah, just add sparkling water instead of rum, and you're good to go.
Great.
And then we've got 2 ounces of lime juice.
So you muddled the fresh mint.
Yes.
Which grows like a weed in Ojai.
Yes, it does. So does calendula, actually.
Yeah, it does. Marigolds, yeah. Marigold/calendula is a great beauty tonic and astringent for your skin as well.
I read that somewhere.
Oh yeah, you just put it in some jojoba oil, extract it, and put it on your skin. It's anti-inflammatory.
I've learned so much with you.
Aww.
I swear. Anyways, we're adding 4 ounces of white rum into our shaker for 2 cocktails.
Cool. I don't even know the last time I tasted rum.
Me either.
Yeah, I'm not a hard liquor person.
Maybe I just don't remember for a different reason.
Yeah, well, I'm not a rum girl. I went to a rum factory in Jamaica, though, once. I drank rum there.
How fun was that?
It was so fun.
Give that a nice shake.
Love it.
Try and open your shaker. And then you just strain them into your glass.
Oh, how beautiful.
I did not know it was going to make that color, but wow.
Oh my God. I think the rose kind of came out.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow.
I wasn't expecting that.
Oh my God. It's like this beautiful blush color. And we are going to use these edible flower ice cubes that are in the shape of diamonds. Look how beautiful that is. And you can do this. Really, the mission behind Magic Hour is to elevate everyday moments into magic and to create ceremonies of connection. And tea is a sanctuary. And even your happy hour can be a sanctuary of mindfulness and intention. And beauty attracts beauty. And intention organizes the universe. Okay.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then we're just going to top that with some sparkling water. And then...
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
the kind of fun part. We're gonna smack our mint to open it up.
I do that with my tarot cards to clean the energy. Wow, you smack the mint.
Yeah.
Oh my, how therapeutic.
And loud.
I'm just gonna go slap some mint.
And then you can really smell it. It's really just for the nose. And then it's good to go.
Okay, let's see how I do here.
Yeah, probably give it a little stir.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Is it? Okay.
Oh my God, that is so good. The vanilla on the finish makes it. And the rose.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's the best mojito I've ever had.
Oh, by far. And it's it's an adaptogen too. It's gonna calm you down. This is honestly, dang girl, you definitely need to do, yeah. We'll do a Magic Hour cocktail book by Ashley. I'll do the non-alcoholic ones. You can do this. This is freaking genius. You're amazing.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Oh my God, so good.
Okay. To set that aside.
Oh yeah. Step away from the mojito. Okay. So, wow, well that was fun. I forgot. Oh my God. So ashwagandha makes me happy. I drink the mantra mint on ice as a Moroccan mint iced tea, and it always makes me feel giddy. And you can make this alcohol-free by using sparkling water instead of the rum. And I think it's really in the magic of the syrups and the intentionality in that there's an alchemy to that, and creating the, steeping the tea with the honey or the coconut sugar or the monk fruit and the water, and really getting that extraction out really makes it exquisite. And then you have to remember to slap the mint. I totally learned that. I have never heard that. And edible flowers in an ice tray is also a pretty magical thing. But this is really beautiful. And so thank you, Ashley, for teaching us. And you will be able to find the recipes for these cocktails on clubmagichour.com. And we hope you have a spectacular time making these either with or without alcohol, and sharing them with those you love, and elevating your happy hour to a magic hour. Here's to your health.